Hello, planner friends. It is Make a Planner Monday, so let's link up this pretty pink, peachy, leather style planner. So I create my planners in Keynote, but you can create your planners in any design software. Doesn't matter. InDesign, Affinity, Canva, PowerPoint. Doesn't matter. So I've already exported this planner as a PDF, so that's what we're going to use. So we're going to load up PDF-Linkr, and I am going to add my PDF. Let me go to the file that I am working in. Okay. So the first thing I'm going to do is I am going to add the tabs to my entire planner. So I'm going to navigate to a page that has tabs on it. I'm going to use my mouse and select the area that has my tabs, tell it to use selected area, and then I'm going to go to where I have my tab CSV saved, select that, and tell it to process the pages. So now it's going through all of the pages of my PDF and looking for every instance of that text, January, February, March, and adding the link to each and every occurrences of that text on each page. So it takes just a minute to do that. And it's done. So now I'm going to remove this PDF because I'm going to add my updated PDF, because now I have an updated PDF. So now I'm going to add my updated PDF because now I want to add the links to this area here for my tabs. So I'm going to tell it to use that area, and then I'm going to select again that tabs CSV because I have that in there, and then I'm going to process those page links again. So it's going to go through my entire PDF and find just those words and add a link to it. Depending on which page I told it to link to, it's going to know that it only needs to look in that area that I selected. So that way you can combine your linking in your CSVs. Like my tabs, I don't have to make a side tab or a top tab. I can just have it all in one. So, okay, so that's finished. So now what I like to do, I kind of do it in this order, and I hope this kind of helps everybody. So now I'm going to grab the most updated PDF, load a PDF in Viewer, because I'm going to add links to these calendar words. I'm going to link those to my monthly calendar spreads. So I'm going to select the entire area, just making sure I have all of those month names in the selected area. Tell it to use selected area, and that's just page 1. So I want to put the start page 1 in page 1 for that, and then I am going to go to a CSV that I have. It's calendar overview, which basically is just all of the months of the year to their corresponding pages. So I'm going to process that, and then I have that same thing basically on my page 2, because I have my calendar overview page on page 2. So I'm going to drag and select all of that, just making sure that I have all of the words in the selected area. And then I'm going to, again, select that calendar overview page and process that link. Perfect. So now all that's done. Now I'm going to go into the batch processing. So I'm going to select my most updated file from PDF-Linkr. And I know that my January calendar page starts on page 3 and ends on page 14. So then what I can do is I can go to this select batch CSV, because I have already created my weekly CSVs using Hyperlink. And if you'll look at all of my other videos, you'll see what I mean. So I'm going to view the PDF and go to page 3, and I'm going to select this area for it to link my weekly pages. So I'm going to tell it use that selected area, process the batch, and that's done. And so now I know those links are correct. So all I have to do is remove this PDF, add my most updated PDF, because now I'm going to add my daily links to those same pages. So I don't have to change my pages here, my start page and end page, because I'm adding these links to the calendar layout files. So the only thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change this batch processing. So I'm going to grab my daily CSVs that I used Hyperlink to create. If you don't know what Hyperlink is, if this is your first video, just go back and watch a couple of my videos and you'll see. So I'm going to select all of those files, and then I'm going to load my PDF in the viewer. I'm going to go to a calendar page, and I'm going to select the entire area, making sure that I have all of my daily dates in that selected area. Making sure I don't select any of these weekly numbers. So use selected area and process batch. Perfect. Okay. Now, again, I'm just going to remove the PDF because I know those links are correct. After you do it 100 times, you know those links are right. So I am going to put my most updated PDF in there. And now I want to add my Google Calendar links. So I know that my daily pages in this PDF start on page 68 and end on page 433, I think. But we'll double check it. That's fine. So I'm going to view the PDF. And let's make sure I'm going to input page 433. Yeah, that's December 31st. So I'm going to select this area for my schedule because I've already generated all of my Google Calendar links. Then I'm going to go here to batch processing and grab all of my Google Calendar links and process batch. Now this one takes a little bit longer, about 5 minutes or so, because it's going through 366 days of your planner and looking for each and every time, hourly time on your schedule and adding the correct link. So that takes just a little bit longer. So usually I just go browse Facebook or I do whatever. It only takes about 5 minutes, but we're all so want everything right now that it feels like it takes forever. So I'm going to pause the video here and I'll come back when it's finished. Okay, so my Google Calendar links are added. So now the only thing I need to do is add custom links for my images and my custom sections. So I'm just going to click on Add Custom Link here. Maybe. Oh, I know this is still open. That's why. Okay, so I'm going to add Custom Link. And I know for my PDF, let me show you, that these little icons here, my home icon and my calendar overview, those are on page 2 to page 442. So that's what I'm going to do. It's very simple. So I'm just going to say start page 2 in page 442. The destination is where I want this custom area that I'm going to select to link to. So I want this to go to the home page. So I'm going to add my PDF, my most updated PDF, and I'm going to view it. And so what I want to do is I want to select this little home icon with my mouse and say use selected area. And then I'm just going to say process PDF. And now it literally just added a link to my home page to every page of my PDF. So now I'm just going to clear all. And again, I'm going to say from 2 to 442. But this next one I want to go to page 2 because it is my calendar overview page. So I'm going to select my little calendar icon, tell it to use selected area, process PDF, and it's done. So now what I want to do now is I want to only add my links to my custom sections on my home page. So my start page is 1 and my end page is 1 because I only want these links to be added to page 1. So I know that my custom section pages start on page 437. So I'm just going to add my updated PDF, view PDF, and then I want this sticky note to go to page 437. So I'm going to say use selected area, process PDF. It's done. Now I can clear all. And I can say 1, change this to 438 because my next custom area starts on page 438. View PDF. And now I'm going to select this sticky note area, use selected area, process PDF. So I'm going to go through that and then I'm going to come back and show you my fully hyperlinked planner. So I'm going to pause the video here. Okay, so I've finished all my linking, so let me grab my most updated planner here to show you. So now my planner has all of my links, all of my calendar, tab links, my custom section links. I go to the home page. These months are all linked. These sections are linked to the custom sections so people can use it for whatever they want. My calendar on every page goes back to the overview. Weeklies go to the weekly dated pages, and dailies go to the daily pages, and Google Calendar links open for the correct date and time. That's how easy it is. That was under 15 minutes, even with me making a video. So that's how you can easily hyperlink your planners with PDF-Linkr. If you want this particular planner, it will be in my shop in the next couple days, because I make them in advance and just drip feed them in there. If you want this particular planner, put comment in there, and also use the coupon code to get 30% off. So anyway, happy planning. I hope this helps you.